Hello everyone, welcome to the full course online. This is the second video in the mirroring mobile screen to PC series using Scrcpy. If you don't know how to mirror a mobile screen to PC using Scrcpy, watch the first video, the link is given in the description. You don't need any expensive software. Scrcpy or Scrcpy is totally free. In this video, we are going to learn how to mirror multiple mobile screens to a PC using this tool. So be with us till the end of this video. First of all, open the command line by typing cmd and open it as an administrator. Locate the Scrcpy folder. In this case, the Scrcpy folder is in the F drive. In the software folder, open the Scrcpy downloaded folder. Click in the path area and copy this folder path. Now, we are on the command line. Type F: because we want to go into the F drive. And change the directory to the path we have copied. We want to enter that folder. So you are in the Scrcpy folder now. Type the command ADB space devices and hyphen or -L. Remember, it is L, not 1. I have connected 2 mobile phones to my computer using a data cable. Now, we need the IDs of these 2 devices. If a device is not listed here, check your cable or mobile settings. USB debugging should be on. If you don't know how to mirror a mobile to a PC, then you must watch the first video. Type Scrcpy, then -- or -- serial. Okay. Now, copy the first serial that you want. Then paste the serial or type the serial and click enter. This is the first mobile phone. Okay. Don't close this screen or command line. Now, open another command prompt as an administrator and repeat the process. Copy the path of the Scrcpy folder. Go to the location in the command line. And type again ADB devices -L. And the IDs are listed again. Type Scrcpy, then -- or -- serial. And now copy the second mobile ID. And paste it here. And click enter. And now this is the second mobile screen. You are good to go. If you have 3 or more devices, repeat the same process for each device. Thank you and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.